Tes 1, 2, 3. Okay. Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Selamat datang kepada video saya. Okay. Saya terpaksa gunakan aplikasi lain, itu Screenomatic, kerana saya punya PowerPoint tidak update dan juga mempunyai wifi yang agak limited, jadi saya gunakan cara ini saja. Okay. Saya cuba jika satu persatu yang terlebih ajar. Okay. First, finding Kahoot. So, kita masuk ke Kahoot. Ini pun wifi data pakai phone, so tak adalah kuat sangat. Just boleh. So first go to the system, sign Kahoot and then sign up. Okay. Then sign up. Okay, I was that this video should be more than 2 minutes, so hopefully it will be more than 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, choose your account type. I am teacher. Okay, you describe your place. Maybe school, maybe. Then use my email. Okay, this email. No. Don't need okay, for this. Since has been few months. Didn't join university, so this happened to student when between siege. Okay, this is my account and then sign up Google. Okay, now it's already 2 minutes. I think it will be more than a minute maybe. We want to wait. Okay. Register. Okay, I learned about this. In my university. Okay. So I will choose continue for free. Okay, now enter your name. My name is Fadi, and my country is Malaysia. Okay, stream, maybe PC, care, stream, that's is your name. Okay, so go to the create. Okay, and create new Kahoot. Okay, so this is the Kahoot. So I can add a question, for example, okay, like create assign true or false. Okay, for example, I can my name is Fati. True or false? Yes, true or false. This is true. Okay, can add more question, maybe 10 minutes and this 10 seconds. Can add question puzzle tools like this time quiz 2 plus 5 2. Okay, this answer is safe 4. This answer is safe 5. This answer is safe 9. This answer is 7. So this was the right answer. So finish with the box. I can use the question bank, import slide, import spreadsheet, and others, but it is working now, so I just save done. Okay, so now it's missing. So let's oh this one, so this delete this. Okay, done. And then kita put title, okay, intro, description, bye, bye, continue. Okay, almost 5 minutes. Okay, so let's check if we have this. So I can give to my friend and we can transfer. Okay, share to my class, which is class I have. Okay, fire and then go do this. This session, create assignment. Give this to them to the assignment. Okay, title. Hi, hi, bye, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, let's do 10. Okay, okay, this. Okay, finally, assign to student. Okay, this is assignment. Okay, okay, that's all. Finish. Okay, done.